Good afternoon. Here's your mortgage rate weekly update. I know I took a couple weeks off. I discovered this great new place. I've been practicing gratitude and manifesting abundance. Just totally kidding. I'm in Big Sky. I just had to do a little progressive joke there. So sorry about that. Let's see. Mortgage News Daily 30-year fixed average is at 6.89% APR today. That is down last week. Last Friday it was at 6.82% APR. Yeah, so what's happening? Obviously, in that time frame, there was a little uncertainty as far as the attempted assassination on President Trump. And then also this week, some unemployment numbers. The initial jobless claims were higher than expected. And also the Philly manufacturing index was way higher than expected. So what happens in those three things, right? Obviously there's uncertainty in the political realm, what's going on, right? Markets a little spooked about the attempted assassination. So that kind of froze them and increased the rates on Monday a little bit. And then the initial jobs claims, that number was massive. And so markets reacted to that because there is now 100% chance, the markets are betting that there is an interest rate cut in September of 1/4 point. 100%, I don't know of anything in life that's 100%, but that's what the markets are anticipating if you add two of the indexes up. And what's going on with the manufacturing? Yeah, that came in, that kind of confused everybody. The Philly Fed Index was consensus of 1, and it came in at 13, which is massive disparity. So that's why you see the rates kind of hovering. If that manufacturing index came in even close to the consensus, say 2, 3, or 4, you've probably seen a pretty big drop yesterday, but that didn't happen. So quick update, not an update. This is maybe FYI on a guideline for Fannie and Freddie. So if you're in a transaction with a client and a buyer and their house is contingent to purchase the property, you do not have to wait or do a simultaneous closing on the house that they're selling in order to get the house that they're buying, right? So if the house that they're buying, let me back up. The house that they're selling, as long as that buy-sell has a financing contingency in it, and also there is a proof of financing, so whether it's a pre-qual or pre-approved from the lender that they've cleared that part, or if there's other financing from somewhere else, you just have to have proof that their financing is in place. You do not have to wait to close on the property they want to buy until the property they're trying to sell closes. So that's a big deal, right? It helps out with all sorts of stuff. Get them in the house sooner, complicates the transaction with the title company less, it makes everything smoother. So if you have that situation, you have a buyer that's waiting for their house to sell in order to close, you don't have to, right? As long as you have the contract in place and you have those two other things in place, you can close on the house that they're buying and it won't affect their DTI. We can take out the payment that they have on their current mortgage on the house that they're selling to qualify them to get into the other house sooner. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great weekend, beautiful weather. Oldest son is in mountain bike camp today, so I took the opportunity to hang out in Big Sky. It's an awesome place to be. So anyway, have a safe weekend. If I can help in any way, talk to clients, go over scenarios, let me know. Thanks. Bye.